हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू एसबी सॉल्यूशन। आज आप लोग को सर्किल चैप्टर्स के एक्सरसाइज 11B के क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 के बारे में बताया जाएगा। चलिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 में हम लोग चलते हैं। इन द गिवन फिगर O इज द सेंटर ऑफ ए सर्किल। इस सर्कल में दिखाई पड़ रहा है O सेंटर है एंड एंगल AOB दिस इज 40 डिग्री। इट इज गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन एंड एंगल BDC, this angle 100 degree. It is given in the question. Find angle OBC. OBC. We have to find out this angle. Now step 1, angle AOB. This angle equal to 2 times angle ACB. The minor arc AB makes angle AOB at the center and the same minor arc makes angle ACB on the circle at the point C. That is why the value of this angle is half of the value at the center. So the value of the angle at the center, that is 40 degree. That is why the value of the angle ACB this is equal to 20 degree. Step 2. In triangle BCD, in this triangle BCD, in this triangle angle BDC, it is 100 degree. Angle BCD, this is equal to 20 degree. Already we have calculated. And angle DBC, that we have to calculate. The sum of these three angles, that is equal to 180. Value of this angle is 20 degree. Value of this angle is equal to 100. And angle DBC the same. So now angle DBC is equal to 180 minus sum of these two angles, that is equal to 60 degree. This is the answer. Goes to question number 11. Question number 11 इस साइड में है, ये इसको पढ़ के सुनाते हैं. In the adjoining figure, chords AC and BD of a circle with center O intersect at right angles at E. If angle OAB, that is equal to 25 degree, calculate angle EBC. So in this diagram, this is a circle. O is the center of the circle and chords AC and BD. AC, this is a chord AC and another chord is BD. This is the BD and this is AC. These two chords circle with center O intersect at right angles. You just see these two chords perpendicular on each other. It is given in your question. If angle OAB, this angle equal to 25 degree, it is given in your question. Calculate angle EBC. EBC, this angle we have to calculate. Now step 1, join OB. इसको join कर दिया गया OB को. Therefore angle OAB, that equal to angle OBA. OAB, this angle is equal to angle OBA, this angle. These two angles are equal. Why? Because these two sides are equal. OA equal to AB, both are the radii of the circle. That is why the value of these two angles are equal. That equal to 25 degree. Therefore angle AOB, this angle AOB plus angle OAB, this angle plus angle OBA, this angle, the sum of these three angles of the triangle OAB is equal to 180. So now angle OAB plus this is the value of 25 degree, the value of this angle is 25 degree, that equal to 180. So now angle AOB, that is equal to 180 minus sum of these two angles, that is 180 minus 50, that is 130 degree. The value of this angle is 130. Step 2, angle AOB, this angle AOB, this angle equal to 2 times angle ACB, angle ACB, this angle. The arc AB, this minor arc AB makes angle AOB at the center of the circle, and the same arc makes angle ACB at the point C on the circle. That is why the value of this angle, that is the angle ACB, is half the value of this angle AOB. So angle ACB, that is equal to 130 divided by 2, this is 65 degree. This is the value of this angle. In triangle EBC, in this triangle, this is a right angle triangle. The value of this angle is equal to 90 degree, that is EBC, and angle ECB, this angle plus angle CEB, this angle plus this angle equal to 180 degrees. So angle EBC, this angle plus value of this angle 65 and value of this angle is 90 degree. So angle EBC, this is equal to 180 minus sum of these two angles, that is 65 plus 90, that is equal to 180 minus 155 degree, that is equal to 25 degree. The value of this angle is 25 degree. This is the answer. Thank you for watching our video. अगर आप लोग को अच्छा लगा प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब मी.